Hey, do you want to learn how to use Napkin AI? This tool allows you to turn any text into visual graphics. In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. And how it works is that you can paste your text here, which could be from different sites like Notion, or it could be a blog post or some text from PowerPoint. And you can just put it inside Napkin AI. Then you can turn that text into these type of visual AI images like infographics. You can also change icons and polish it up. So it doesn't mean that what it generates is the final thing. You can change the icons, you can change the colors of it, add decorators, even change how the connectors work. Everything in it is customizable. You can also change colors of these graphics, the fonts, etc. So you can download the graphics, select everything, download it as an PDF file, URL link. You can take the URL link and give it to someone. You can export them, the graphics, as a PNG file, as a PDF file, or an SVG file. So what you could do is you can take it as an SVG, you can put it inside your PowerPoint, or you can also import it inside your Illustrator or Inkscape software. And there you can make changes to it. If you know how to use those tools, you can make changes to the graphics. Now the use cases. You can make presentations. In a blog post, you just have simple like articles and everything, but you need graphics in it. And here is where the Napkin AI would come in, and it would give you these graphics for your blog posts, which is really cool. Or you can also use it for social media like LinkedIn or X, which was called Twitter before. So you could paste that one line, put it inside Napkin, and it's going to make a graphic like this, which you could download as a PNG file, put it inside your social media post, and post it. There's also documents. So if you have got a document with a lot of text in it, you can make these graphics for it. And I already told you that it can be used as a presentation. So it'll grow your YouTube channel. And this is the graphic that is generated by Napkin. And these are some of the examples of the graphics that are generated by Napkin. Looks really good. And the fact that you can make changes to it is really nice. It's not like a simple PNG file and then you're not able to do anything inside it. If I want, I can make changes to the colors and such. And the best part is at the time of making this video, this tool is completely free to use. The Pro plan is free because they are in beta. All the features are there for free. So let's try it for free. I'll click on this button, which is going to take us over to the sign in page. And because I've already signed in, it's going to take us over to this page. And I'm going to click on new napkin on top left, and you can import from a file, blank napkin or draft with AI. I'm going to go for draft with AI because I don't have a text with me right now. So I'm going to use the AI to write the text. So here you can write a prompt to generate a text, or you can use these hints below. So I'm going to go for this best practices for hiring interview. Click on it. And it's going to put the prompt here. Let's click on continue. And it's going to start writing with AI in real time. And there you go. It's currently done and it's saved. Now you can add a comment from the right hand side, this button. You can add a comment to it so that your collaborators that you share it with can see that comment. Or it could be for your use case as well. Now, based on this first paragraph, I can make a graphic for it. So you just need to click on this button, which looks like a Thunderbolt icon. Click on that, and it's going to start generating a graphic here like this. And on the left-hand side, you can switch between different images. So they're the same thing. It's just how they are represented. It's in a different format. You see the conduct interviews is there, but if I scroll down, I can see the conduct interviews on this graphic as well. And out of all of them, I think I like this one. Looks nice. Let's click on it. And now you can switch how the graphic looks like, the styles of it. So these are different styles and you can switch between them. This is completely outline style. This has some color in it. This looks hand-drawn, like some kid drew inside it, the colors. This looks the best. So I'm going to select it. I can select it and move it around if I want. I can also select these, click on this suggestions, and it's going to give us more of these icons that I can select. So instead of this, It's a similar thing. So I can just select this one, structured interviews. It's only going to give us those suggestions, those icon suggestions that match with the structured interviews text. So let's go with this one, fair assessment. Let's try this one as well. There you go. So all the icons would match this text. There's thickness. If you hover on this second icon, you can select the thickness of it. I think 2 is best. There's shape. You can change the shape of it. It's rounded, marker style, sharp, that way. I like the rounded one. You can change the colors of it. You can add custom colors. It says it's for the pro version, but because we have got the pro plan for free, currently I can select it and I can make changes to it from here. So I can add a custom color, create my style. So you can have your own brand colors. So for this, you need to put your own logo first. So I'm going to select my logo on here, go to logo and select it. Now it's going to extract the color palette from it. There you go. Now you can pick the fonts. So you can select from here. You can also add your own custom font, the label, and the description. Once you're done, you can select next, and now it's going to give you the generated styles, and you can select which one you like. I think based on my logo, I think this one looks the best. These two look the same, so I'm going to select the first one, this style 6. And based on that, you can see on the right hand side, these are the examples of how the graphics would look like. All right, let's click on next to fine tune your style, and I'm done. Now it's going to save the theme, and it's going to add it over here in the styles section. These are all the built-in styles. You can select them. If you do not like this one, you can select them, but this is your style and you can make changes to it. You can activate all, deactivate all, import the style, etc. If you want to create another style, you can do so by clicking on this. And by clicking on that open group, I can select these, change the outline colors of it. And if I just want to change the outline color of the middle one, this green one, I can do that. And if I want to make changes to this, let's say I want a different color for it, like black, I can do that. Change the color of the individual funnel thing. This is marker style, monochrome, gradient. So yeah, that's what you can do. And you can also download this, export it. So yeah, that's what you can do. And on the top right, you can change the background color of this whole graphic. You've got the aspect ratio. You can change it to 1:1, 4:5, 16:9, that way. You can change the style. This is the style that we just made. You can change it to different ones like that. You can export it to your computer by clicking on that download icon, and then you can export it as an SVG format, which is a vector file. If you download it as an SVG file instead of a PNG, you would find that it would not be rasterized. So you would be able to see every little detail, even when you zoom into it. But if you choose the PNG version, which is mostly used in emails, docs, or websites, if you try to zoom into that image and it's a low quality image, you're going to find that it would be rasterized and it would become blurry as you zoom in it. So it's best you export it at 3x resolution like this. But the downside of this is that it's going to be a large file size. You can keep the background on or off. There's color mode. You can make it light mode, dark mode. You can turn off the logo, the napkin logo, this trademark on the bottom right. You can turn it off because we've got the Napkin Pro plan for free right now. So you can just turn off the napkin logo for this one. And then you can download it to your computer like this. And then I can open it up and show you how it looks like. And just like that, you can just go over to different text, click on this generate visuals, and it's going to make an image from it. Like this. Now maybe you want to add something to this graphic. Let's say you want to add a spark. You can click on this. And I want to add a cat. So I can search from here, or I can click on this cat button, cat text, and then I can add this over here. I can click on these on the corners and scale it up or down. put it here, somewhere in between. There's also labels, so I can click here and type something like that and put it below this bulb icon. Double click it and type in something else as well. I can move it around, and you can also scale the box if you want. If you select this text, you're going to find the font editing on top in this bar. So you can change the font from here, make it bold, increase the size of it. You can also align it to center or the right or left, change the color of it. You can also add some graphics to that text. So this way, if you want, you can just start making it from scratch. There's also a sketch icon on the bottom, so you can select it and sketch something like this. And if you draw bad like me, you'll get these suggestions as well. So you can turn it into these. So let's say I want to draw an arrow here, and I'm bad at drawing, so I'm just going to draw like that. So it's going to automatically correct it. And then I can choose this arrow style. So it's going to have that on the top of this. Then I can select it, and I will have these dots on this line. So I can select that, and then I can move it around like this. I can also change the toggle arrow, give it different arrowheads. And on the bottom of this line, you can also change that. So you can give it like this. You can have a small circle at the bottom, add thickness to it, change it into lines. Instead of a single line, you can have that dotted line, change the color of it. And then you can also download it. So export it to your computer like we showed before. You also got the PowerPoint. It's like an editable PowerPoint slide. So you can download it and you can then edit it inside your PowerPoint presentation. And same thing for these graphics. You can also click on it, export it, and then you can select the PPT to have this editable inside PowerPoint. There's also an image. So you can click on this, upload an image, drag and drop images anywhere, copy and paste images from anywhere. So basically this is not like an image generator. You can just put the image here. So let's say I want to add an image. I can just copy and paste it, or I can drag and drop it and such. So let's say I go here, I go to my gallery. I want to add this image, so I can just copy it, drag it, and put it here. After that, if you want, you can connect it with something. So let's say I add another image like this one, and I want to connect these two elements. I can just select this. There are points on the bottom and on the left and right. I can just select it and connect it with the other image like that. Now on the top right, I've already showed you what styles do. There's share next. So you can share this with someone. You can put the email address inside it, and then you can select this can view. So they can view it, they can comment it, they can edit it, or they can edit and share it with someone else as well. And here, this works exactly like how you do inside Google Drive. So you can select this, anyone with a link, or only people with access can open the link that way. So if I click on this, the only people that I share this with would be able to open it. So I need to enter it here, and then I have to add them for this napkin page, and then they would be able to view it that way. And if I just want anyone to view it with the link, I can just select this and it would be good enough. There's also download PDF here. You can just quickly download the PDF by clicking on this. There's copy link, so you can copy it and share it with someone as well by clicking on this button. Next to it, we've got the cog icon, which is the canvas settings. So this is generate visuals in. You can auto detect. Let's say you have got some other language that you are generating the text in. It's going to auto detect it, and based on that, it's going to generate those visuals in that language. Or you can always select the language here. So let's say your text is in English, but you want the generated visuals to be in French. You can do so by clicking on here. And then all the generated visuals would be in this language. There's page breaks. You can do that. There's page lines. You can turn off the page lines like you see here. They are gone now if I turn it off. There's colors in dark mode. You can make it normal or inverted. You can see the changes that happens. You can see the changes on the page when I turn it to normal or inverted. Next to this, we got our user icon. If I hover on it, it says, "Don't you look awesome?" And that's a nice addition. So I can click here and it's going to give us this drop down. Inside it, you can turn it into a light mode. This is going to be a theme mode selector. So you can change that. So you can turn on the dark mode by clicking over here, or you can make it auto. So it's going to be based on your system settings. So if you've got dark mode on your computer, it's going to take that into account. There's account settings, there's help and support, and the free pro beta plan that you're currently on. And I'm not sure how long they're going to provide that pro beta plan, but I'm sure you would be interested in it and you should take advantage of it as long as it's free. Now you can sign out from here if you want to do that. And if you want to take a look at your previous napkin generations, your previous text generations that you've done, you can click on the library on the top left and you're going to see all your napkins here. So you can switch between them. And you can also click on this 3 dots, duplicate this napkin, download PDF, or delete this napkin. And again, you can just start off a new thing by clicking on this new napkin. You can import from a file, just drag and drop your docx PDF or these files inside it, and it's going to take the text from it. Or you can also start off with a blank napkin and just type in here whatever you want. Just copy and paste the text and then generate visuals based on it. And that's it. That's how to turn your text into visuals with this AI tool called Napkin. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more AI tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.